finally got key for new living place. Yahoo! Nice weather. I have to go back to Japan and come back here pretty soon.
Nice.
But I have to do swab test now. Suck to the nose. It hurts last time when I did in Japan. Expensive, no? Right.
And then both close together. Both close together. Both close together.
Both close.
Yes.
Okay.
It's normal.
Okay.
Both parts of the boat are
Okay, go.
both first. Open your mouth. And both close together.
Right.
Wait for them.
Ah, no need. Okay? No need, no need. Ate was really good, not hard at all. As of now, to enter Japan, you have to have PCR result. Everything is not easy now, extra cost also. But I will go back to get pack and will come back for good. Anyway, let's eat the best one before I leave. Without him, I cannot leave this country.
Thank you very much.
Jolly holiday, holiday.
We have a peach mango pie. Peach mango pie, 3 pieces. Can I also have a choco sundae?
Jolly holiday, holiday. Jolly holiday, holiday. Jolly holiday, holiday. Jolly holiday, holiday. Jolly
This should be illegal. Is this place same as Siargao? Do you have a acai bowl? Acai? This shop originally from Siargao. My first vacation in the Philippines, I went to that island. It was like paradise. I wanna go back someday. Great vibes, chill, island time. It was about 4 years ago when I was still guapo. Ito looking bring back memories. The best breakfast in my life at Siargao. Some of the stuff. Let's go IKEA. First thing to do when you visit IKEA is eat. Not showroom floor. Go to cashier floor to eat. Upper floor they have restaurant but it was expensive.
Oh my God!
My room has nothing, no furniture, so that we can do DIY together, no? Anyway, thanks for watching. Mata ne! Because of pandemic, I lost my dream job. I even lost myself, almost. But I always remember more fun in the Philippines. So I decided just move into the Philippines. Out of Japan, life start from zero. I don't know how it's gonna be, but sounds fun, no? I'm excited all this. These massive papers are required to enter this stupid country. Oh, I'm the one stupid. Japan, open country, very slow, no? I know you guys miss visit here. Japanese food, shopping, sightseeing. I hope my season 1 helped you create your itinerary. That's the best airline, by the way. Basically, you need swab test again. Before flying and after flying. Better ask wheelchair if you don't want to walk. For this paperwork, I walk more than 20 minutes. But it's easy process, just expect 1 to 2 hours. People are kind, they tell you where to go. But if someone picks you up, just tell them beforehand. Once your PCR results show up on the TV, you will be free. Tadaima! Do you think I can bring all this? This is the reason I come back here once. I was ordering from Manila, but this is too much. Anyway, thanks for watching.
Very
For
much.
Japan, I make video as season 1. For the Philippines, I make as season 2 na. I will see you on season 1 soon.